Alright, welcome to Colossus mathematics class. Today I want to show you something I discovered yesterday while teaching my 100 level students this integration using U-substitution. I'm sure most of us can solve this question using the U-substitution method. So let me quickly do the U-substitution method for you before I do the shortcut. If you want to do the U-substitution method, you will say that let the value here, so you say that let u be equal to 3x plus 5, right? And then that means your integral now becomes integral u raised to power 4 dx. Are you seeing that now? So your integral becomes u raised to power 4 dx. Now you cannot use dx here, so you have to differentiate u with respect to x. So if you differentiate u with respect to x, you will have 3, right? If you cross multiply, you will have du equal to 3 dx. Then make the x method formula. That means dx is equal to is equal to du over 3, right? So now in your equation that you have, your integral is already u raised to power 4 dx. Are you seeing that? So you now copy and paste this dx here now. So you now have integral u raised to power 4 du over 3, which will now give us the same thing as 1 over 3 integral u du, u raised to power 4 du. Are you seeing that? Now I can integrate with respect to u now. This is 3, not b. This is 3. Alright, so this one will now give us 1 over 3 into, so integrate u raised to power 4. The reason why you cannot integrate u raised to power 4 directly here before is because you have it with respect to x. I see now you cannot integrate u with respect to x, so that is why you have to change that by bringing this dx value here. So now you now have, so if you integrate u raised to power 4, you will have u raised to power 5 over over 5, right? Plus c. Then that will now give us u raised to power 5 over over 15 plus c. Are you seeing that now? And what is our u? Our u is 3x plus 5. Is it 3x plus 5? Yes, 3x plus 5 raised to power now raised to power 5 over over 15 plus c. Are you seeing that? I'm sure most of us are familiar with this type. Now when you want to now use the shortcut, I discovered this yesterday. I usually teach a lot of shortcuts, but I rarely do videos of them here recently. So now look at this. If you have this 3x plus 5 all raised to power 4 dx. Now I gave them the shortcut. I said if you have an integral like in the form ax plus b raised to power n dx, the shortcut will be ax plus b raised to power now n plus 1 over n plus 1, then dx of your ax plus b. Are you seeing that now? Where b is a constant, where b is a constant. Are you seeing this formula? I got this as I was teaching yesterday. Now let me apply it for you. Look at the question here. Integral 3x plus 5 raised to power 5 dx. So you can see you write everything back here. That will be 3x plus 5 raised to power So sorry, this is power 4 here from the question. This is power 4 from the question. So 4 plus 1 now will give us 5. Are you seeing that now? Over the 4 plus 1 that we have, that's 5. Then dx, that means differentiate this one. Are you seeing that now? Differentiate this value alone. So if you differentiate this, what will you get? 3. Are you seeing that? Then plus c. Are you seeing that now? So plus c. So that means the answer for this question now is 3x plus 5 raised to power 5 over what? Over 15 plus c. I think that is the short method. So you can try it with this. Look at another example. So in case you are saying it only works for the example I did, no, it doesn't. It can work for anything. Look at 4x plus 3 raised to power 7. You see, if you apply the law, that will be what? 4x plus 3 raised to power what? Raised to power 8. All over, you drop that 8 now, then multiply by differentiate this one, that will give you what? 4. Then plus what? Plus c. Are you seeing that now? So you just multiply this one and you are done. So that will give us 4x plus 3 raised to power what? Raised to power 8. Are you seeing that now? Then 8 times 4. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 13. 2 plus what? C. You can see. So tell me, what will be the answer for this question if I have integral 5x plus 10 all raised to power 3 dx? Tell me what the answer for this will be. Don't forget the x here too. So tell me what the answer will be in the comment section. Thank you.